Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked on a Google Sheet with a group of people, you know how easy it is to miss an update or wonder who made that last change. Well, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable notifications for your Google Sheets file, so you'll get an alert whenever a teammate makes a change. By the end of this video, you'll always be in the loop, whether you're tracking a budget, managing a group project, or just want a little more control over your collaborative spreadsheets. All right, let's jump right in. First thing you want to do is make sure you have your Google Sheet open, the one you want to monitor for changes. At the very top, you'll notice the toolbar that says File, Edit, View, and so on. Look for the tab labeled Tools. Go ahead and click on that. If you're having trouble finding it, remember it's right up there near the middle of the menu bar between Format and Extensions. Once you're in the Tools menu, you'll see an option called Notification Settings. Click on that and a new window will pop up. This is where all the magic happens. In this menu, you'll need to select Edit Notification. What you're doing here is customizing when and how Google Sheets will alert you about changes, which is super helpful if you're sharing this file with others and want to stay on top of edits without constantly checking the document. Now in the section where it says Notify Me When, you'll notice two main choices. The first one is any changes are made. The second is a user submits a form. Let me break these down. If you pick any changes are made, you'll be notified about virtually everything anytime someone edits a cell, deletes a row, or tinkers with the sheet. That's the option I usually recommend if you want a really clear picture of what's going on, especially in fast-moving collaborative projects or when you're overseeing reports that need to stay accurate. The second option, a user submits a form, is specifically for sheets tied to Google Forms. Choose this if you only care about new form responses coming in, like collecting survey answers or sign-up forms. If your use case is more general tracking and collaboration, stick with any changes are made. Next up, you get to decide exactly how you want to receive these notifications. Under Notify Me With, you'll see two choices: Email Daily Digest or Email Right Away. The Daily Digest means you'll get a single email with a summary of all changes from the day, a great option if you don't want your inbox to blow up but still want an overview. If you need more immediacy, maybe changes are time-sensitive or you're managing a critical spreadsheet, select Email Right Away for instant updates. And don't worry if you change your mind later, you can always come back and tweak these settings. Once you've picked the options that work best for you, go ahead and click Save. Take a deep breath, your notification rule is now enabled. From now on, you'll be notified exactly the way you chose. If you think you might want more than one rule, for example, maybe you want instant alerts for form submissions, but just a daily digest for general edits, you can add another notification rule right here. It's totally up to you and how you like to manage your inbox. And that's it, you're set up to get timely updates on any activity in your Google Sheet without hovering over your documents 24/7. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I always check and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.